Hey y'all, Anson here over Ivey Forge. So here's part two of that knife build um, that I got from that scrap spike. Alright, so as you see, I already got the primary bevel put in, and yeah, hand sanding is not for the faint of heart. So let's go check that out now. Alright, so there we go. Is hand sanding. It is what it is. I did a couple of things trying to grind down because I wanted a thicker ridge on the back, and then I wanted to be able to grind it down before I got to that primary bevel. So you saw in there a couple of things. I tried using a knife sharpener. It's a set that I have. It didn't work. That stone was just is wearing out way too much. So I went into using files, tried to file before I did the heat treat that you saw. So yes, I did heat treat. I did get it to non-magnetic, and then I took it up a little hotter. So I do believe that it actually hardened a little better. The knife or the file skated across there really nice, and then I put it into the oven to temper it back. I did that at 400 degrees for about an hour 10 minutes. All right, so I still don't think it's very quality steel. I don't think it's gonna last, but hey, like I said, it's my first knife. It's one of the things I really don't want to do, but I figured I had this scrap, and that's what it was screaming that it wanted to be, was a knife. So I'm still giving it a go. For my first one, I think it's turned out pretty good. Alright, for my scales, I actually have a couple chunks of cedar. I don't know how well it's going to work, but I know it doesn't rot, so I'll give it a go. So in the next video coming up, I do want to make some type of guard. It's going to be something small, nothing big, that I do want to put. Maybe just like a simple little S. And then I do want to use the head of that spike that I had to put in the back, kind of as a pommel. We'll see how it goes, how it turns out, and if even if this is a little bigger than what my scales would be, along with the width of the blade, then it'll just give that. So it is wider, right? And you can see it'll just give that hand a place to stop. But alright, so there we go, part 2. If you like this the build thus far, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and you can check that down in the corner. It'll be one of the corners. And then go check out some of these other videos I got posted up. Alright, and don't forget to share. You can also check me out on Instagram and Facebook. I'll have those links down below. And alright, catch you on the next one. Bye.